Alright, just gonna do a quick little video on what I've been doing for the past couple of months. Not really vegan style, but it's the closest thing I can get to vegan. Some of you all might say vegetarian, but this is my slaughter meal, lunch, breakfast, probably not breakfast, more so lunch and dinner. Main ingredients, got rice. I just cooked it. I wasn't gonna go through the cooking process because you all don't need to see that. I pretty much eat this every day at work, my days off, before I go to the gym. It's awesome. I call it my fake Chipotle bowl, honestly. Some people might laugh. Sorry if that's too loud, but it really is, and it's really good. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is better than the chicken breast and everything I make. So I got my beans. I usually do a variety of different beans in one bag, but these are red beans. I used to do black beans. Black beans, they're okay. Not too much. I got a couple of pieces of rice in there, but it'll be all right. All right. Now, this is what really makes it. You got your guacamole. First time really trying chunky. I mean, it's all right. Your mild salsa, unless you want to do hot. I prefer mild. And then you have your choice of cheese. Mozzarella, I wouldn't recommend it. I would probably say, I think it's called Monterey Jack. Is that what it is? Monterey Jack? Okay, Monterey Jack and Pepper Jack. I don't know. But I don't have that right now because I made a terrible mistake. But it's still gonna taste good regardless. So we're gonna throw this guac in here. I froze it. So it's kinda not working with me. But that's all right, it's gonna work. I froze it because I left for a little bit. This is not working how I thought it was gonna be. You got your salsa. Boom, look at that. Chef Boar RD and the nasty cheese. But like I said, once you put it all together, it's just gonna be like a masterpiece. But the key thing is you wanna make sure you melt it even layer. Nice little coat, nothing too heavy. And that's pretty much it, man. I want you all to try this. Give me some feedback. I hope you all enjoy it. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos.